Hey everyone, this is Marlene with Building Zion. Welcome back. I'm outside here, my gardenish area. I wasn't planning on making a gardening video anytime soon, as well frankly I didn't even plant a garden this year because we're getting ready to go to Colombia, the country of Colombia, to complete an adoption. We're leaving in just a few days. And so I didn't want to plant a garden because we would be gone during part of the hottest time of the year and it would either all die or I'd have to find someone to come care for my garden for like a month and a half while we're gone. And I felt like that was a little bit too much. So I just opted not to, but I want to show you what happened anyways, even though I planted absolutely nothing. So all of these came back, this lavender, and that's oregano. All these came back, and now you have to know that here in Georgia it does get really hot and humid, but it also gets really cold. We have lots of freezing days. So here's strawberries, they came back, and last year the strawberries were no bigger than like my pinky nail. I keep my pinky, and this year they're about as big as my thumb. So they're not fantastic, but we're making progress. Peach tree, all these flowers came back. These poor chives, they're looking kind of sad. They're blooming out, but this is the 4th year I've had these chives, so hopefully they come back stronger. And then we still got our loquat trees growing up nicely. So you see all these little green things right here? These are all marigolds. I planted 3 marigold plants last year, and all of these, this is all from the seeds spreading everywhere. And look at those little guys. Oh my goodness, there's so many of them. They're like weeds. I mean, I can imagine if we didn't spray weed killer over here in the grass, they'd be here in the grass. But there's just a ton of them. And there's some that are growing back over there. A bunch of those are weeds over there, but they're growing even all the way back over here. Okay, and then I want to show you these right here. These are collard greens. So I planted these during the winter, and I harvested them already. And I harvested them, this is exciting, I didn't know this would happen. I harvested them down to the stalk here, and I just left the stalk. Well, all of a sudden I came out one day and there was like these little bitty things growing. This one's still pretty small, but there were these little bitty green things growing out of the stalk, and lo and behold, they're regenerating, they're growing again. So I'll harvest them up right before we leave for Colombia, but I've gotten a double crop out of this. I got a double crop, didn't plant anything. So strawberries came back, you know, lots of things came back. So my takeaway from this is, what are the foods that regenerate and will come back so that I don't have to keep replanting things every year? That would be amazing to have a whole garden that just like comes back on its own every year. Now, maybe I'm thinking optimistically. I know some things will, you know, asparagus, I know some artichokes will. But of course the struggle is getting things that will grow in your area, that will grow in the ground. There's a lot of clay in this ground, so you know, things that need to grow down deep won't survive, or they just won't grow very big. They'll grow small. But anyways, it's an experiment, it's a trial, and you gotta try it out for your area. I'm kind of thinking that's kind of my goal, is figuring out how to make a regenerative garden. Okay. Oh, and I wanted to say also, oh my goodness, my dog is exploring everywhere. I gotta go find my dog. Give me a minute. Made your way to the front yard, didn't you? Okay, let's go. We gotta go to the back. Come on, let's go. Come on. No. Cooper, come on, let's go. Let's go. There you go. No. No. Cooper, no. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, he gets big britches. And then he just thinks he knows and can go and do whatever. So I also wanted to say, if any of you are interested in hearing about our adoption journey. Like I said, we're getting ready to go out to Colombia, and we will be posting videos from our adventure out there in Colombia, finishing up the adoption and all that. So I will leave a link to that channel, Creating an Adoptive Family, in the description below. So hope you guys having a great one. We'll see you later. Bye.